In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more credits in Pika AI. If you've ever hit a credit wall mid-project, this guide will walk you through reliable ways to keep creating without interruptions, plus smart habits that stretch every credit further. Let's start with how Pika works. It uses a subscription plus credit system. Your plan determines how many credits you receive each month, and generating videos uses those credits. The most straightforward way to get more is to upgrade your plan. The free plan gives you a small monthly allotment, often around 80 credits as an example, while paid tiers provide a much larger pool, ranging from hundreds to thousands. Upgrading makes the most sense if you create often, need longer clips, or want higher quality output on a regular basis. Check the plan details and match the tier to your typical workload so you're not overpaying or running short. If you run out unexpectedly, you can buy extra credits on demand. Open your account or billing settings, choose buy credits, select the amount you need, and confirm your purchase. Many add-on credit packs roll over to the next month, so you can stock up without worrying about losing them. Though policies can vary, always review the note on your billing page before you check out. A completely free alternative is to wait for the monthly reset. Credits usually refresh each billing cycle, and even free users receive a new monthly allotment. This method costs nothing but does require patience, so consider scheduling bigger renders right after your reset to make the most of that window. You can also reduce how many credits you need by working more efficiently. Keep your initial video durations short, generate fewer variations, and start at a lower resolution such as 480p. Heavy effects tend to cost more, so use them selectively. Remember, credits are consumed based on video length, resolution, and effects. A great workflow is to create a brief, low-resolution draft to validate motion and style, then upscale or extend only the best version. This approach preserves quality while minimizing waste. Finally, avoid burning credits through trial and error. One polished final can take multiple generations if your prompt is vague. Plan your prompt before you hit generate. Be clear about subject, action, camera movement, style, duration, and aspect ratio. Keep reference notes nearby and save prompts that worked well so you can iterate with intent rather than guesswork. To recap, consider upgrading your plan, buy add-on credits when needed, leverage the monthly reset, work efficiently, and plan prompts carefully. Combine these strategies to keep your creativity flowing while staying within budget.